Hey guys, this is Monty, your love beauty goddess, coming to you with another DIY. Today we're going to be doing fluid art. I've looked at so many videos on YouTube and it inspired me to do my own fluid art pour painting, and I bought 4 canvases from the craft store for about they're about 60 cents, and I have my glue all, which is going to be used for my medium for thinning my paint. You want to use the glue all and a little bit of water and have that consistency that I'm showing you for the paint when you're doing any type of fluid painting. And I'm going to be doing 4 different techniques. Only one will be shown in this actual video. I'm using a lot of different metallic colors, some 24 karat gold, 14 karat gold, antique gold, chunky glitter, some titanium bluff, some burnt sienna, and some brown color copper as well, and glitter. But I didn't use the glitter on this particular one. I have some other canvases that I'm going to use the glitter on, but I'm going to do a pour method where you have to mix all of the paints and everything first and go from there. So what I'm going to be doing is mixing all of the different paints and getting them to be the consistency that I was looking for, that thin consistency, so that the paint can move around fluidly. I also have gotten some spritz that has the Mathicon in it, and I'm trying that out to see if I can get some sales with that Dimathicon spritz in it, because I don't have a torch or a heat gun to heat up my paint to open up those sails more. But that's the consistency that you want in the glue and the paint and a little bit of water mix. That's how you do it to get the consistency that you want. So now I'm just showing the same consistency, that is the chunky glitter. And so now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of that Mathicon in certain ones. When you put any type of silicone or any type of the Mathicon, I saw one video where they did the dish soap, and I saw one where they did the alcohol. I like the one with the dish soap because it doesn't give you a lot of sales. The silicone will give you a lot of sales. If you want the more galaxy open sail type look, you can get more sales like that. But I'm just trying this out with the spritz to see if I can get a little bit of sales. So now I'm going to take my cup and I'm going to pour all of the different colors into the cup. That is the titanium bluff I'm going to start with. So I'm just going to pour the different colors in there. As you see, it doesn't matter which way you do it. There's no right or wrong way when it comes to fluid painting. You just pour the colors into there, any pattern that you want. You're just pouring the colors in there. So this particular technique, I want to say I'm going to be doing a dirty pour. I want to say that's what it's called. It may be called the Dutch pour. It's one or the other, but I will put the technique down below in the comment section once I remember what technique this is that I used. Like I said, I looked at so many YouTube videos, and so I have so many different techniques that I've pretty much remembered. But I'm just putting those beautiful colors in there, a little bit of that copper, some burnt sienna, and we're gonna see what we come up with. So just keep watching, guys, while I keep mixing those colors. I used about 9 different colors, and so now I've done all of the mixing of the colors, putting them into the bigger cup. And so now what I'm about to do is take my canvas And what you want to do when you have your canvas, you want to have it leveled. So as you see, I have the 4 cups, and I'm using a cookie sheet from the Dollar Tree to keep my canvases leveled for when I'm doing the pouring, because the paint, it drips off when you're doing the pouring and manipulating of the paint. So I'm only going to be working with the one, like I said, in this particular video, because it was about 20 something minutes long when I had all 4 of the canvases on this video. So this is part 1. I guess I have 4 parts. I think I only have 3 parts because I lost one of my footages for one of my canvases, and it was so pretty. I think I did a Dutch pour on that one. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of my titanium bluff, and I'm just doing the edges. It's no longer a right way to do it. That's my base color that I want on the edges. So I'm just giving it a little coat of that titanium bluff. And so now what I'm going to do is just pour. And it's no longer right way to pour. You just pour. And I'm doing a little bit of wiggling to get a little spiraled effect with the colors. But pretty much that's all you do, and it really came out really pretty. As you can see, you just pour it on there, and once you get all of the paint on there, you just start moving it, and it's pretty much going to give you the pattern that it wants. And that's it. So beautiful. And what I did learn, when you're doing the manipulating, you want to make sure you keep the tilting in the center. So you want to go tilt in the center and go back to the center. Every time you tilt, you go back to the center. So you tilt center, tilt center, tilt center. You don't want to keep on moving it so much that you lose that design. So that's all I'm doing there, is just tilting it, and that's all you do. And that's the dirty pour method that I have done with the acrylic paint. And this is the fluid art painting DIY video. And if you like this video, please subscribe and comment, and hit the like button and also the bell so that you will not miss none of my upcoming videos. I pretty much upload videos all day long. It seems like it. I have so many DIYs inside of me that I'm just doing more and more videos, and it doesn't take really long to edit these videos either. So I'll definitely be doing more videos, especially with the DIY art. I really love the art that I'm doing, the fluid art. It is very satisfying. It is very therapeutic for me. I do suffer from anxiety and depression, losing my mom and dad. So this is very therapeutic for me, dealing with loneliness, and this is just really joy. Like, I remember the guy when I was a little girl, the joy of painting, and I used to look at him then. So I'm just tapping into my inner goddess. Look how beautiful that is. Like, that is just simply gorgeous. Make sure you get those sides and everything when you're doing your canvases. But it's just beautiful. Just tap into your inner goddess. You never know what the creativity juices that you have inside of you. So I just love it. Beautiful. So beautiful. And my Snapchat is Love Beauty God, and that's LUV Beauty God, GODDE 1. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that y'all gives it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, and go out there and do your own art. I hope that I have inspired someone to go out there and do their own art. This is my first time doing it. Until next time, guys, love you.